Brad from Dark Monk here, and today I'm going to show you how to put a new petal on the bottom of your lotus head. Replacing the petal tends to extend the life of the lotus head by quite a bit. So just replacing that bottom petal can make it last a lot longer. Things you're going to need for this, you're going to need a screw gun or a screwdriver. It will be a little bit harder though, so I definitely recommend the screw gun. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take out the 4 screws from the bottom. With your old petal off, you'll be able to see the square washer that we have here. You're going to examine the screws that you have. If they look good, you can still use them. You're going to take your screws, and what I like to do is I just screw them in just a little bit so they stand up on their own on your new petal. I want to spread them out so they're in about the same positions they were on the old one. It's going to look like this. Not quite in the corners, but not in the center. I like to screw the screws all the way through the petal so that you can see the tips coming out the other side. With the tips exposed, I'm going to make sure they line up with the holes in my washer. I'm going to screw them in just a little bit, each one as I go around, just like a tire. Like that, all the screws are fully seated. I'll look around the edge, make sure that there's no gap or that I can see the metal washer or the screws. And from the bottom, you should be able to see all 4 screw heads without really being able to touch them very much with your fingers. Just like that, you've replaced your bottom Lotus petal. If you ever need more, they are available on the Dark Monk website. That's all from me today. Thanks for tuning in.